Namaste, dear Mahanayakas. This is Deeptanshu, your facilitator for Smriti Chaturya. People often say, don't judge a book by its cover. Similarly, I would like to say, please don't judge my capabilities based on my age. I feel truly blessed to have been born to a divine soul, Sri Pradeep Acharya. Under his able guidance and blessings, I was able to read 4 languages frequently. It was when I was just around 1.5, 2 years old, and here's the glimpse of it.
Itu Sam. Itu Gayak. What is this? Orange. Itu Fire. Itu Blue. Itu Yoga. Itu Itu Ane. Itu Ili. Itu Simma.
Using Acharya's powerful memory techniques, I was able to memorize 365 pages of medical book with the page number and the content. Can you believe it? At that time, I was just studying it at 2nd standard. From a very young age, I became deeply fascinated by these techniques because they helped me break down even the most complex information into simple chunks and remember them with ease. As my interest grew, I started visiting schools, classes, and conduct a memory enhancement workshop for students. When I demonstrated my memory skills by memorizing an entire medical book in front of President of Adi Chunchunagiri Mata, Sri Nirmalananda Swamiji, and he was totally amazed. He handed the medical book to his PA and said, ask him. He asked him to test me, and that became a truly memorable moment in my entire journey.
Copy his number.
Yeah. Just this one.
230.
230. What do you have? Swallowing. You can just ask him, where is this? He'll be able to tell this one. Any page of your choice.
Everything, page number. With breathing, page number.
206.
And I am very proud to say that I was one of the youngest participants in World Memory Sports Council, which was conducted in India. Addition to that, I have trained nursing staff members. And when I was studying in 8th grade, I received the opportunity to train 10 standard students who were preparing for their board examinations. Over the years, I have also conducted several batches of Smriti Chaturya, and now I feel truly privileged and grateful to conduct Abhyasa Shala for all of you, starting from tomorrow. If you genuinely want to get the best out of this program, I have my 2 humble requests for you. Number 1, attend Sadhana Shala and Abhyasa Shala regularly without missing a single session, because those are the most important sessions which you need. Okay? Number 2, complete all the assignments sincerely without fail. Okay? I truly hope and believe that all of you have taken the printout of week 1 materials. I am totally excited to see all of you tomorrow morning and begin this wonderful, beautiful journey together. Remember, this is Deeptanshu, your facilitator for Smriti Chaturya. Namaste.